In the beginning, there was no path to walk upon. Through rough lands and mighty waves, the one pioneering a new path is Posco International. Eco-friendly energy, eco-friendly steel, agriculture, and future new businesses. By adding to them the value of nature, we're aiming to become a global eco-friendly integrated corporation. Creating a brighter, warmer world is humanity's long-sought dream. This change is centered around eco-friendly energy. Posco International has pioneered new energy sources through challenging explorations. From natural gas production to transportation, storage, and power generation, we've become more efficient by connecting the value chain into one. Utilizing gifts from nature like the sun and wind, we're also fully committed to the green energy business. And by leading carbon capture and storage, clean hydrogen, and other key eco-friendly energy businesses of the future, we're doing all we can to contribute to carbon neutrality. Eco-friendly steel guarantees the promise of a safe and prosperous world that we've only dreamt of. Based on the world's best steel products, we're moving forward to become a total solution provider through global networks. In the era of eco-friendly mobility, the EV traction motor core will take a central role, and that's why we've completed its global production system. Through on- and offline complex platforms, we're leading the new trends in steel products trading. Furthermore, we're building a global supply chain by quickly and stably securing raw materials for secondary battery materials, the core of future vehicles. Food is indispensable for mankind. As the largest agricultural trader in Korea, we're responsible for assuring national food security and food for our future. Securing food resources with the world as our stage. We're expanding into the processing sector, which has high growth potential and profitability. Our palm oil and cotton businesses go through production, processing, and distribution to expand the value chain as we prepare for new challenges in the field of smart farms and ag tech. Diverse business experiences and global networks are great assets of Posco International. Beyond the boundaries of the industry, taking the lead in discovering future growth power for the Posco Group. In areas like natural material-based bioplastics, biomass, and more, we're pioneering new fields of eco-friendly business. By supporting the growth and export of promising domestic venture companies, we're presenting new directions for the future. Rather than obsessing over its well-being, Posco International is more concerned with how it could coexist with others. Beyond its corporate role, as a global corporate citizen, we wish to achieve great things hand in hand with our various stakeholders. We're also making beautiful changes for a better world for our future generations, and to grow together with our local communities and businesses. We're hoping that our sincerity will reach every corner of the world as we continue to create beautiful changes. With our record of enabling the attainable, where there was a will, there was a way. Make future. Rather than waiting for things to happen, we work to shape our path. With nature. Rather than working to protect nature, we seek to symbiotically coexist. Creating a green and global world. Green energy and global business pioneer. Global eco-friendly integrated corporation. Posco International.